Fuck you, money 15 million, nigga, back at it again, nigga. You know, some more new course and all, nigga. You already know, baby. Don't hit my nigga Maul, baby. Start up, nigga. Everybody,
Hey, he don't say shit.
Back at it, hold on. He don't even want to do it again. Shit, you already know. It's your money 15 million, goddamn TV show. You feel me? We gonna do it like this, nigga. We gonna keep it stacking like Pamper, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like Johnson & Johnson. You know what I'm saying? I keep my bitch voice, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? They gotta be wet every time I get to the house. My bitch. She knows who she is, goddamn. Straight up. But anyway, y'all need to look out for mixtape, you know what I'm saying? Mixtape coming soon, boy, straight up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what we call it. Call it money talk swag, you know what I'm saying? Check my swag out, man. Check my swag out, man.
With the new 501.
The 501s, man. My nigga Cash right there, man.
Shit, what it do, look at it, Young Savage, as bad as y'all already know with my SOE crew. You fuck with them, you fuck with me, nigga. Real shit, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. I'ma beat your ass like I said, nigga.
Shit, goddamn. I'm hungry as fuck. Niggas shit. Niggas talking about $25 just to get in the party. I mean, I'm hungry. It's cold. But shit, nigga, you already know what it is, goddamn. You see the tattoo, goddamn. I'm still out here. I don't even know that nigga Leafus, but shit, when I see your ass, it's over. Goddamn, real shit, nigga, when I see your ass, it's over. Fuck all that shit. Talking about, y'all niggas talking about, goddamn, you whoop my ass, nigga? You ain't goddamn whoop my ass, bitch. I'm still out here thugging, getting money, goddamn. I don't give a fuck, man. I'm still getting goddamn money, man. Fuck that nigga Leafus. Fuck his bitch ass, real talk.
Big kid, man, we poppin' on. Y'all put niggas in rock and roll. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay. Hey.
Pull them boys in here.
Pull them boys, y'all. Come on, we in here, dog. At the Infinity board.
Okay, $25 a head.
$25 a head.
$25 a head, and they
lick my head from the back.
They can lick everything. Stand on the camera.
We in this bitch. Shit, shout out to all my niggas out there, man. I'm right here, man. Mr. Twerks on myself. In this bitch.
Hey, man, you already know Enter, man. Mr. Making Twerks on SOE, swag.EMP, CEO. Shit, man, you better get it right. Dude, we coming down this year, baby. You already know shit. We getting the goddamn deal this year. You better watch out for this shit. Goddamn, we doing it big around this bitch. Nigga, ice creams on. For real, ain't got these bitches. You feel me? You feel me, bitch, man? CEO shit. Let's get it poppin'.
I'm saying though. Swagged out ENT, nigga. Let's get it.
Hey, show him the line, Tanner. Show him the line. Man, can't see it, but man, see all the way out here, man.
Me and my crew, we popped off. This motherfucking hey, man, they got hella hoes up here. No disrespect to the ladies, but they got hella hoes up here, and I'm about to pull about 3. Real shit, nigga. We'll be at the La Quinta, Holiday Inn, either one. Shit, we're gonna get back at y'all about 5 minutes.
Yeah, nigga.